Pocket FM promo codes 2026. In this video, we're going to be quickly discussing about Pocket FM and all the promo codes that you need to work with. Now, to find the promo code, simply go to Pocket FM promo code on your browser. And from there on out, simply go over to the different websites. So you have Grab On, you have Let's to Know, but I would say that the best is the general search that you get over here because they give you live promo codes that are active right now. So you have Pocket FM 20, Kotak, PFM 300, Industry, and a lot more. And if you want to get them more aligned and structured, you can go over to any AI and you can let the AI know, give me current Pocket FM promo codes. Okay, you can simply let AI know. And what AI does is it actually goes ahead and searches for the different Pocket FM promo codes, and you can simply add them from here. So that is how you can get Pocket FM promo codes for the current month. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.